Clad 120, your favorite cladding system in the market, and I'll explain exactly why. It's a single extrusion, so you don't need anything else but the extrusion of the cladding. And they interact into each other. These are samples, scratch the whole show, so don't mind that, okay? But they interact into each other without the screw. But you are gonna be installing screws as you roll and then do interaction. So easy performance, easy to install. You can go vertical, you can go horizontal. We have our two-piece L here that it's easy to just click right in, turn it around and go a slim look. You can go on the face, on a more heavy look. Okay, so that's the installation and that's how it performs. So it's very easy, very convenient for the contractor, or the homeowner can do it as well. You can go vertical or horizontal. You can do your soffits. Now, the black is coated both sides, so it could easily be a fence other than a wall cladding as well, or you can coat gates with it, existing gates, old gates, or brand new gates, and make a frameless fence or a gate. And then we have our Ipe here. You have that wood grain for the wood lovers. This is so nice, so clean. Other than that, compared to composite, so composite fumes out. Composite is containing plastic and your insurance will not approve it. No way. On fire areas, fire zones. So this is insurance approved and it's a non-combusted aluminum. So there's many, many benefits to it. It does have a wood grain compared to the composite, just has lines. This actually looks like wood. And then there's the teak, a more mellow, less grain. You still want to have the wood look. So this is going to give you that performance as well. There's a lot of variation that you can combine. We have custom colors if you would like as well. Best prices in the market and the best system, guaranteed outperform price and outperform quality always. Al Globus, and that's how we grow and that's what we're good on. Check us out, Clad 120.